man and only and bun up part 7 man at the inner the dancehall edition. And when they wanna drop any selector and they pan they wanna like white pan rice, you make them know say one time them career go just bun up. Cause some things are going on at the dancehall and this as cheap, we bun them up. We'll kick it off like this. The man them will come a people dance at night time and spend off the money them with the clothes man them and the shoes man them. And when them come at the dance, then all the money for spend at the bar, we make gonna know so the promoter them a ball, them like come at step bun up. The girl them know where come a dance and as them reach the dance, them a race to the bathroom, go reel off the whole of people them toilet paper, a stuff down in them handbag for carry them yard go use. We make gonna know so the people them know what go on, them little thing they bun up. The man them know where come a dance and feel like say from them buy a one juice give a girl. Them can't in a girl is with one bag of yap all night. Or feel like them can't close mark all night or feel like it's a dance them buy. We make gonna know say sort out them little thing them and the girl they not to walk with them style again, them style they bun up. The man them now will come a dance and give people this one bag of champagne shower like them love man. Or a drop create a man foot. And when we check the levels, the boy, them mama can't get a dime out of them. Or them pick the mama can't get nothing out of them for them youth unless them threaten them with child support court. We make on know say them style and a look good man, them style they bun up. The girl them now will come a dance at night time and a run down some 5-inch heels to come a dance. And when them reach them can't move them off stationary in them like some big rock stone. We don't a mother big seaside or the big stone them where them drop out the airport road we can't move. We make on know say sort out them little thing them and a comfort over cute. Them style they bun up. The young boy selected them now. We a come a dance at night time and a race out some new tune prematurely. Or a play some tune when the thing never reach. Let's say it a try run down money pull up. Or them go so bumps a come a people dance 3 or 4 o'clock a morning time and them thing never reach. Let's say it. Or if them come a dance and certain segment go on already them no know what to do with themselves. You see them all about a crutch all them head. We make on know say them style they bun up. The old boy selected them now. We come a dance and juggle like them feel like them there some 80s, 90s. We make on know so you better no look some 80s, 90s bookings because young people not too deep on them at say night 2014. Yeah. We make on know so no need to get with the program or not go get out of the program because them style they bun up. The people them now will come a dance and not eat nothing heavy in them stomach before them come a dance and a pass gas all about to the dance from people. We make you know say get to know act together man. You have to understand so you have to eat something sensible upon the stomach. Buy a piece of jerk chicken or something and eat. Before you come a dance come run down deeper heavy liquor like you feel like a tonic. Cause them style they bun up. The man them know we are look man girl and have no argument. And a come a dance, come watch man for care about news or give them girl. We make on know sound we dead. Them style they bun up. The man them know. We go to bumps and a come a dance at night time and a trust the people them liquor. And a walk out of the bar and now close them bill before the dance done. We make on know say sort out them thing them tell you already. And me will tell you again. Them little thing they bun up. The girl them know we come a dance at night time and a spend all night in a bathroom mirror. Like them insecure themselves. Or like a toilet them come. We make them know say come out of the bathroom and them little style they bun up. And last but not least, you have some man anywhere on the globe the dance there. Them find the dance. Them on go here see a dancer go on a such place and them dead. And them no need no GPS. But me notice when some of them rich people dance, it's like them need a GPS to find the bar. And we make on know say them thing they bun up.